Oke, hari ini hari kedua saya di Probolinggo bersama tamu saya dari Prancis, Thibaut. Tuh. Jadi kita mau perjalanan. Hari ini kita nginep di salah satu teman saya yang ada di Tempuran, dan kita akan ke lapangan karapan sapi bersama Thibaut. Ibu lagi persiapan peralatan kameranya untuk mengabadikan karapan sapi. Okay, today we're going to go to Bull Retreat with Thibaut. Yeah, hopefully it's a good experience, first experience about karapan sapi, and I wish he got nice and beautiful experience today.
I hope so.
Yeah, let's go, Thibaut. Kita udah sampai di lapangan karapan sapi. Ibu lagi nyiapin preparation.
Yeah. I'm preparing like the cow, but to do something else. Warming up.
Yeah. I think we have warming up last night.
Yeah, yeah. A good warming up.
Many people recognize me.
And mostly now, they will think you bring a cameraman.
I think so. English and French. They asking, what language do you use? Do you speak? I mean. Jadi ini cara saya untuk memperkenalkan salah satu budaya dari tempat saya ke orang asing, dan kebetulan saya bisa berbahasa Inggris ya. Jadi hari ini saya tidak liputan karena saya harus menemani dia selama 5 hari. Dia di Indonesia, 2 hari di Probolinggo, dan besok kita masih ke Bromo, kemudian balik lagi ke Madura, ke Bangkalan untuk eksplor tentang Madura bersama Tibo. Dia masih sibuk untuk mendokumentasikan kegiatan-kegiatan karapan sapi. Sebenarnya pengen kita langsung di Pulau Madura ya untuk lihat karapan sapi, namun di Pulau Madura sendiri lagi libur untuk karapan sapi karena akan menjelang pemilu, dan kebetulan adanya di Probolinggo, ya akhirnya kita ngejar ke Probolinggo.
Sekita nyetor nyaman sampai nikah sudah jenak arep sarung dan gula dan terus dengan panggung juri sedaja pemilik sampai ngereng nyaman sampai setor lagi.
Oke, barusan kita udah minta izin sama Abah Thohir. Tibo, they allow you to come to see him. Jadi saya minta izin tadi dengan biar Tibo bisa ngobrol dengan Haji Thohir, real Sultan, real big boss. Come on, Tibo.
So he's the one guy very important in the atmosphere of
bull race.
Oh yeah.
Yes, only this one.
Yeah, siap.
Say waiting for you.
Yeah. What is his name?
Mr. Haji Thohir.
Mr. Haji.
Mr. Haji Thohir. Ya.
Bangkalan.
Oke, Tibo udah ke atas pengen ngetempu sama Haji Thohir. Dilarang pegang-pegang.
Ada sedekut tangdi. Nomor 40 Raja Sawit. Probolinggo.
Sidon.
Nomor 40 itu macan celek Topi Probolinggo.
I will be your translator. Okay.
Probolinggo.
Saya
Bakolo telok celeng Sidemoy. Jati Ucing Probolinggo. Nomor 44 Jenderal Balap Kades Rano Gedak. Pak 45 Libat Saksi Haji Hasan Tigasan Wetan. Nomor 46 Anak Sawer Istar Lumajang. Nomor 47 Piring Terbang 2 Haji Hasan Bangkalan. Nomor 40 Macan Komper
activity.
Probolinggo.
Beliau nanya namanya Abah siapa, maaf jika berkenan, umur, kemudian berapa lama Abah sudah berkecimpung dengan karapan sapi, Abah? Nama saya His name is Muhammad Thohir. His age is 66 years old. He has been in karapan sapi for 48, baik. 48 years already he has been in karapan sapi.
Nomor 1 pelapor kocek Bapak Sawi Probolinggo. Si kedua
He come here to make competition with his bull, right?
Ya,
And he come to watch them.
Abah datang ke sini untuk melihat acaranya Abah dan melihat jagoannya Abah. Ya, Abah.
Sina pelok bocil gaya bebas Iqbal Wonoayu. Nomor 1 Goyang Inul Sari Probolinggo. Nomor 1 Piring Terbang 1 Raden Haji Muhammad Thohir Bangkalan. Nomor 1 terakhir siapa?
To see the atmosphere, because this the one have this competition, and also he has what do you call that? bull race too
Yeah.
in here. Now Mr. Haji Tohir want to see his
Oh yeah.
his bull here.
Yeah. And every time your bull race come for competition, you come to see that.
Abah, kalau setiap Abah ada lomba karapan sapi punyanya Abah berlaga, apakah Abah pasti datang?
Pasti
Of course,
Yeah.
he will come to see his.
datang karena kebetulan kan organisasi ini saya ketua.
So the bull race has organizations. The name is Pakar Sakera. Pakar Sakera. The name of organization of bull race. Whole Madura and Java. He is the chairman. Mr. Haji Tohir is the chairman. Ketuanya, Bah, chairman.
And now, how many of his sapi will participate today?
Ada berapa sapi, Bah, yang ikut sekarang, Bah?
Sekarang
Five couple.
Five couple.
Per couple. I told you, he's just many cows he has.
Okay.
So Mr. Haji Tohir spend lot of money for his hobby. Not only 1 million, maybe more, 100 million maybe. Sudah 100 miliar lebih mungkin.
And it's him who still organize them, who chose who will be the jockey, who will clean them, who will
Yeah.
take care of them.
Okay.
It's him who still chose that.
Apakah Abah yang menentukan jokinya siapa yang tukang bersih? Of course, he choose.
And they stay around his home, the cow.
Ah, Abah ditanya apakah Abah tinggal di dekat kandang-kandang sapi yang biasanya dia lihat tuh seperti itu, Bah, dekat
hampir setiap hari.
almost every day.
Oh, yeah.
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 But Mr. Haji Tohir has many houses.
Oh yeah.
Actually, his house is near my home.
Oh yeah.
Only
Di Pulau Madura.
near my home.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't take
Oh, di
maybe
Bengkalan.
yes 30 minutes, but
Bangkalan,
Oh, di Gapura.
Jakarta, Bah.
Jakarta.
He has
juga.
many houses.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, this one.
Ya,
Okay.
terima kasih banyak.
Oke, itulah obrolan Abah Tohir dengan Tibo dari Prancis, dan video ini akan berangkat ke Prancis, dan insya Allah Abah Tohir akan terkenal di Prancis. Amin, Mbak.
channel YouTube-nya apa?
Oke, itu aja satu hari saya bersama Tibo. Tadi dia sudah berbicara dan ngobrol dengan orang terkaya, salah satu orang terkaya di Pulau Madura, pemilik karapan sapi, Mr. Haji Tohir. What is your opinion about Haji Tohir? What is your opinion about Haji Tohir?
Oh yeah, in first it's really nice that he let me
Uh-huh.
come to him because
Yeah.
he's really famous, and I imagine it's not everyone who comes to him say hello.
Yeah. He smile. He always smile to you, right?
Yeah.
She's very welcome.
Yeah, exactly, really welcoming.
Yeah.
Very nice from him.
Oke, thank you. Jadi tadi Tibo mengatakan Haji Tohir ternyata walaupun beliau itu orang sangat terkenal, tapi beliau sangat welcome dan senyum dan mau menemui Tibo untuk diajak ngobrol-ngobrol. Ya udah, itu aja teman-teman. Kita istirahat dulu. Besok kita akan ke Bromo, ya, Bromo ya.
Yeah.
Because Tibo never been there ya, belum pernah ke Bromo ya. Belum pernah ke Bromo, so tomorrow we go to Bromo, but we will spend the night in another friends near with Bromo Mountain. Well, thank you very much for watching my channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yudada, bye bye. Bye bye.